So, yan ang hair ko. Gamit ito. And now, we will color this Lolane Pixxel in pink pastel. Your hair should be this light. I don't know if it's ganito na. Siguro sa dulo part lang. Pero the rest, it's not too light, but I don't care. Okay, so let's start. 199 pala siya. So, ang laman niya is developer again. 10 volume, 3%, 100 ml. And tube. Ang lakas ng baby. And the instructions. Nag-try muna ako ng konti. Try ko muna siyang mix. Uy, nagiging pink. Nagiging pink. What? Pink na siya. Naging pink na. Mukhang puti. This is camera. Pero pink na siya. Not too pink. Yun ako. Tama na hindi magkulay. Yan. Pink na siya. Let's see first. Gloves na lang pang apply ko. Ayan. Habang tumatagal, naging pink siya. Wait lang. Dun, 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 dun. I messed up. I messed up. Guys. Very good. Looks like yogurt. Berry yogurt. Kakulay naman. Okay, I'm back. Tinapos ko na yung isang yung kabilang hair. And then, inuubos ko na lang. Yan na siya. Bali ganito yung, wala na pala. Ginaganito ko na lang. And then, i-transfer ko sa gloves. Para yung gloves na lang ang dito at i-spread the butter. Balang naman yung binilitch ko. Ganyan ko lang siya in-apply. Pa-konti-konti dito. Pero hindi ako nag-concentrate sa roots. Dito lang sa ends. And then, just sa idin. Naside ko na lang yung natira dito sa container. na nag-oxidize ng color, naging violet na. Naging mauve ang kulay. I like this color. Mauve. 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 Alam mo yun, hindi naman ako nag-expect na pink to dahil hindi naman blonde na blonde yung hair ko. Mga iba dyan, ay, hindi naman kasi. Yan talaga magpipink dahil hindi naman blonde yung hair mo. I know. I know. Okay. So, let's wait for 1 hour. 1 hour. Yup. You already right? 1 hour. See you later. Okay, guys. It's cooked and boiled. It's 10. No, it's already 12:20. And nag-start tayo mga 10:30. 10:30. 1 hour. I had 2 hours na. Let's see how it looks like. We'll rinse na this bad girl. Okay, wait. I'm going to dry my hair now. Wait for the reveal. So, after 9 hours, at 4 p.m. hanggang 1. Here's your rose gold. Medj rose gold. Medj rose gold. Yan. Medj. Thank you for watching again on cooking my hair. Bye.